Hi, I'm Gigi Valdez. I'm your friendly physical therapist from Tri-Cities Home Health. And today I'm going to give you some tips on how to keep yourself safe while you're gardening. So first things first is wear a hat so you keep yourself safe from the sun. And I know I have a lot of patients who sometimes would fall because they try to pick up a weed from the garden. So I would recommend you getting a weed gardener that you can get from Lowe's or Home Depot. And I would also recommend that you use one of those kneeling stools that you can sit and kneel on it while you garden on the ground. But if you have a way of gardening with a elevated garden, those box garden, that's even better to keep you safe from falling on the ground. And always remember to have a jug of water with you, use gardening gloves, and have your phone and your life alert with you. That's all for now, and happy summer and keep safe. This is me, Gigi again. Bye.